health tips that your certified drugs dealer, whom you call your doctor, don't want you to know. Ladies with fibroids and cysts, those are called inflammation, that are clumps made from animal milk, cheese and butter, meat that they used to feed chemical feed, bag feeds. Yeah man, just get green papaya, cut it, put it in a drinks goblet, allow it to soak for 2 hours and then drink it. Do this 1 to 3 months and you tenderize this fibroids and cysts and it dropped off, and you have to just use a detoxer in herbs to flush it from the body. People, you can't stand it there, you know. Make them go and cut up on nobody in a surgery, you hear? Yeah man, you can't stay there. Come over a knowledgeable True Virgin Foundation, I help people over here, so me don't talk to you.